Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, one girl say I beg, may we help her advise her friend. He said because this her friend too dey lie. He say no wetin she dey gain for lie. He said the lie don that is the lie don too much wey be say if the lie don pass joromi, you know when something pass joromi, he said the lie e no fit again. How somebody go just dey life dey live in lie, everything about am na lie. He say so una help her, make una help her advise this her friend because this her friend too dey lie. Say because he never see where somebody go just come life, say na lie, he come lie for this world. He say no know wetin dey gain for lie. He say abeg, make una advise this her friend. He say this her friend, you no go get belle go say him get. If you see say another person get belle go say him get, whereas na lie o. Later she will begin dey cry say him don miscarry. Whereas you no get time wey take carry belle one day. He say this her friend, as he lie reach, he go lie say na so him get 4 flat for Naija, whereas he no get any 4 flat. He say as he come lie reach o, he go dey friend boy, go dey lie say na so him get money, na so him get this, na so him get that, whereas na lie. He say how somebody go just dey life, just dey live in, that is everything about her na lie. So if the boy, he get one boy wey dey come dey date one certain time, he use lie finish the boy. He no get document to say he get. As the boy find out say the lie too much, now the boy so fit pack her load there. The boy drive am in the night, say oya, make he pack at least, say no fit again. All because of lie. He say this girl lie so tey all relationship wey don enter, all na lie. All na lie. He say this girl lie so tey all as the guy wey dey come the date because of as he don use lie take finish himself. He say he get document because okay one day because okay you bring your document that make him even see am one day. He come go dey find document wey be say e don expire for how many years ago. Na this girl come go bring come out for this boy. Wetin this girl dey gain for lie? Say he no know. Now I come ask am, wetin make her dey lie? Say he no know. Say right for time wey just still know this girl lie. Even her age o, he lie. How somebody go just dey life, just dey live on lie? Say he no know. He no know wetin she dey gain for lie. Say he don advise am, he don tire, he no know how he wan do this girl again. You understand, my people? He say so the girl too dey lie. He say nah after all the lie or everything he say he consider say okay, he consider say this girl don see change again. He say no say now the lie even continue. He no get passport, he say he get. They never give am a passport, European passport, he say he get am. How somebody go just dey life, he go just dey live on lie. He don pass 45 years, he dey lie say he dey 30. If you see 22 years, he go say 22 na him dey. If you see 30, he go say na 30 na him dey. All because make the boy no know say he senior am. How somebody go just dey, he go just say na lie he come lie for this world. I know say people dey like that o. Person dey pray for this life. Make you not lie to somebody wey go help you. If you lie to somebody wey go help you, go hard because they don't say make somebody not lie, but lie wey be say you don't go lie to somebody wey be say na for be your helper. That is why lie no good. How long somebody will just dey life say na lie he can't lie for this world? Wetin you not get to say you get am. House wey you not build to say you build am. Money wey you not get to say you get am. You say nobody fit help person like that, my people. You where they watch me, so you feel help somebody like that. You know fit. Because you think say maybe he really get money because as they live on lie. Why somebody could just dey life because say na lie in come life for this world? God, may God not let me lie to somebody who go help me. Oh. May God not let me lie to somebody who go help me. Wanna help me advise this our lady, this girl will get this topic so. You know herself. Wanna help me advise her. Me she stop lie. Because this our friend saying don't tire. He not fit again because it will they lie. Everything about her na lie. He go even tell you something today. Tomorrow he go forget. He go tell you another thing again as he can't lie rich. Eh? I beg. This girl, whether na deliverance so or na cause so or I don't know. I don't know. I want to put am again. Because somebody go just dey life saying na lie can lie for this world. So if you be saying na deliverance, my people, I be here una look am. Me dey feel say na deliverance so. I don't know. You where they watch me so. Not be deliverance. Let me look how my mind tell me say na deliverance na she need do because I never see where somebody could just come life say na lie can lie for this world. God forbid bad to me. God not let me lie to somebody who go help me. Oh, I beg. When I me advise this girl, she need deliverance. For me, oh, na deliverance me fi say. What do you say she need? I don't know. You know go get belly. Now don't even surprise me pass. Where the girl they tell me. Say he go carry fake pregnancy, go say he get belly, but that's not lie. Make so that make the boy not know say he don't pass the stage to get belly. He go say he get belly. When 3 months go don't reach, later you can't call say he miscarry, but that's not lie. Oh. Nothing like that. Oh. The girl knows say na lie, they lie. He go say he go just look and say, if you lie finish, let me know. You understand? Miscarry will not miscarry go say person go they play with that kind thing safe. So I tell am say the girl dey okay. How she go they play with that kind thing when you not get belly, you say you get am. Eh? If you can't really miscarry tomorrow, we be saying a real pregnancy can't really come, uncle. What you can't do? Eh? He say so. They get to the lie beg. Say me kuna advise am because if he lie, so say this girl go even the date man will be say he get money according to this our friend. He say he go even jump guy will be say the guy dey okay. We go fit take care of him. He go the lie to the guy say na so he get money. When the guy will come say okay, guy will be say you know they do intro before. All because of this guy, the guy will come they do intro because if they lie to them say he get money. Eh? I don't know. Why some people did this life? They say na lie, they can't lie for this world. Or me, I don't know. My people, when they help me advise this girl, make it stop to the lie, make it stop to the deceive people. I beg. Eh? He not get passport, he say he get. If pikin not get passport, he say pikin get. Why somebody go just dey lie? I bet he don't know the meaning of passport. I don't know, my people. You where they watch me. What do you think? I will go do this our sister. Maybe we leave and make it the lie they go, or maybe we advise her. I beg me na me advise and make it not the court join body again. Benin go say if you be ma bok muwa. Lie. The court join body, you not good for us. Neither parable mean. Stop lying. Be real. Let people know. No say now if you say two knack, they go really look time whether not two really like knack. Let people they look am like that. I beg. Stop lying. Lie no good. Lie you no good for house. So thank you everybody, and please let me to advise this my lady, make it stop to the lie. Make you not they live in lie again. Nothing like say person dey real for this world, because if you come marry tomorrow, the man can't see you. The man marry you, you can't dey lie to her. If you find that, he go drive you. I be my people. He go drive you because you dey lie too much. Stop lying. Man, do now. Stop lying. Eh? Be real. Lie not good. Because if your man find out say you dey lie, it go lead to separation. I mean, you don't know. Stop lying. Thank you, everybody. And please share this video so that make you reach this particular person wey know say na him get this topic. You know herself, make you reach her hand. Abeg, because this her friend say abeg more help am share this video. Make sure say una share this video for me, make you reach her hand. So thank you everybody and take care. God bless you people. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Lady J one, only one, not be two, one. Thank you everybody and take care, and continue to subscribe for me, continue to share this video for me. Thank you. Bye.